Hello, this is Dr. Rick Hofer. I'm bringing you one solution practice point, turning research into practice. This episode talks about how to decrease staff turnover. There's a problem. That problem is high staff turnover. The problem with high staff turnover is that every time you have to hire someone, you lose time, money, and an already trained worker. The research shows that two of the largest factors in employee turnover rates are employee dissatisfaction and the feeling that a client's outcome is completely on their shoulders. What's a solution? Many employees express the need for more extensive and adequate supervision as well as more support from their supervisor. The practice points related to this research are: finding the time to provide support to workers is hard, but if you don't, you may have to find time to replace workers who quit. It is easier to keep the good workers you have now than it is to keep hiring new ones. Many managers started as frontline workers and can recall that they wanted more support themselves. Your managers may, however, need additional training in how to provide the kind of support that their workers want, need, and deserve. Training should enhance supervisors' capacity to engage in positive exchanges and provide supportive supervision specific to the needs and skill levels of individual employees. Would you like to know more? Can Do, the Center for Advocacy, Nonprofit, and Donor Organizations, may be able to assist your organization with training for your nonprofit managers and supervisors. If this is of interest to you, please contact me, Rick Hofer, at rhoefer@uta.edu. This has been Dr. Rick Hofer, bringing you another episode of One Solution Practice Points, turning research into practice.